Morning, Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Monday. Chicago's had a lot of snow. And by Wednesday, the wind chill here in Chicago and a lot of the Midwest will be around 40 to 50 below zero. This polar vortex is going to come in quick and it's going to leave quick. And by the weekend, we might be above freezing again. So we'll see how that impacts, especially things like the winter wheat crop, and kind of go from there. The big news on Friday is that at least for 3 weeks, the U.S. government's back to work. So we'll see how much export sales data we get, and we'll also see on Friday what kind of commitments the traders report we're going to get. And the USDA said that they're going to combine the January 11th crop report and release it on February 8th with that report. So you might get like two different numbers as far as carryouts, both U.S. and world, and then we'll get some D1 stocks, which is pretty much old news. But we also will get winter wheat seedings, which I think is going to be lower than what the market had anticipated, or at least farmers have planted less than maybe what the USDA said. The big news overnight is that the South American weather is changing. The dry areas of Brazil should start getting some rains 10 days, maybe 7 days from now. And the jet stream, in moving up towards Brazil, will dry out Argentina. And this is about perfect timing for especially the Brazil corn crop and the Argentina crops. So that's weighing on the soybean market. We're down 4 cents. In wheat, I think what we're trying to see, number one, does China come in and buy U.S. wheat and corn? That could be supportive to prices. Because at the end of the week, U.S. and China delegation will meet. Again, the bottom line is people think that they will extend the main talks because of issues with the intellectual properties and transfer of IT information, but they could come in and start buying some U.S. grain. So again, you've got beans lower. The stock market was lower at one time. Crude was lower. The President of the United States has threatened to go with another partial shutdown 3 weeks from now, or he's just going to build his wall with funds from other places. So that makes Washington still kind of up in the air and not really getting along very well on the two sides. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.